I want to give a review to Clients on Automation, it's CJ Smith and the whole staff. They've been very helpful. I'm a dog trainer, so I don't have a coaching business like a lot of people have. I actually have a traditional service business. This means clients have to come to my location, they have to find me, and we have to do business in person. So I signed up for the COA system, and it was incredibly helpful. It helped me automate my business. It helped me with the ads. I thought I was doing ads properly, and turns out I wasn't. The automation as far as CRMs and booking calls, it was just so much easier once I followed step by step what the COA system taught. If you follow this system, it's definitely going to improve your business, whether you do it in person services or whether you do online services. Just the information that is on there is so valuable. There's just tons of videos, and the support has been amazing. It really brought my business to a place where I can find more predictability now. And again, the support has been exceptional. I've done group coaching before, and it was okay. I learned something in the past with those systems, but it was nowhere near the caliber of the COA system. I highly recommend it. It's a great staff, and the support is there all the time.